everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you guys about my absolute favorite wardrobe hack slash secret. It is the UPBRA bra, and I have been wearing their UPBRA bra strapless for years. It's my go-to when I just want to look sexy and feel more confident. I'm going to show you guys a before and an after, and you can see right here how the UPBRA bra makes a huge difference just by filling out the dress and making me feel more confident. So UPBRA bra's special technology is right here in these cups and right here with these straps. So basically you can see how much padding there is here, and it's all about the lift. So just by taking the UPBRA bra out of the box and wearing it just as it comes, you're gonna get so much lift, but you can actually adjust how much cleavage you want by moving these notches like this and then hooking it to secure that spot. Of course, the UPBRA bra strapless stays up. You really don't need the straps. I never use my straps, but if you want the extra support, it does come with the straps as well, and it also comes with an extender. One thing I love about the UPBRA bra is that it gives you full support, so you can even wear it for workouts, and it actually does give you the best support when you're doing cardio and things like that. I know it doesn't make sense, but trust me on it, it just holds your girls up. But you can also adjust one side more than the other, because it's very normal for people to have one breast size that's bigger than the other. So if you want that evenness, just pull this over one side to get more of a lift on one side, and then it'll even out your girlies. UPBRA bra also has t-shirt bras, and if you want a lift on the beach, they also do have swimsuits as well, so you can always have your girls looking perky and perfect even when you're in your bathing suit. If you want to learn more about UPBRA bra, go ahead and click the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.